Hello friend, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Research Center Jaipur. Today we are going to learn how to check if any users has been added or deleted on the Linux machine. Okay, so if you want to check that if any users have been added or deleted from your Linux machine, you can check it very easily. Let me add a user. Let me add a user in Linux machine. User add suppose Tiwary. Okay. Okay, and then user add next user Jayash, another user is suppose zone. Okay, so I have created user already. I have also created few users before. Okay, so let me create another user add Mona in this Linux machine. Now if you want to see the users, you can see in this file cat etc passwd. This is the file where you can see the list of user. At the bottom you can see Abra, Tiwary, Jayas, John, Mona, all these are users. Now out of these users, suppose I am going to delete a user. I have deleted a user del -r Mona. I have deleted Mona users. Now how will you check? Like if you come after, if you are new to this Linux machine or you are the admin and you want to monitor, you want to see how many users had been added to this machine or how many users have been deleted from this machine, whose name of the users who have been deleted from this machine, how will you know that? Okay, so there is a very simple command to know all this. Okay, and using that command you can know that which user has been created or which user has been deleted. So first of all, let me find which user has been created. So just simply type grep, and then in this one you type user add, the name of the command, because you know user add command is used to create user inside a Linux machine, and then you can give the name of the log file, that is var log and then star. Okay, and it will list you all the list of users which has been created. So you can see Tiwary user, Jayas user, all the users which has been created, Zone, Mona, all these users has been listed. Now if you want to see the list of deleted users from your system, okay, so you can check using the same command, but in place of user add you will replace this with user del, and this will show you the list of users deleted from this machine. So you can see Satish user has been deleted and Mona users has been deleted from this Linux machine. At what date, what time they have been deleted, you can see everything in their detail. Okay, so in this way you can monitor which users have been deleted or which users have been created inside your Linux machine. Okay, so this command is to list all deleted users in Linux and also to list all the created users on a Linux server. So thank you for watching. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section.